how to fix Discord login detected. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and click that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads in this channel. So if you are getting this kind of problem like this, it would look like this. So this may be because you have changed connection or changed your IP address. So don't worry, but this is a very easy resolution for us. So go to your account after you have um, verified, you have requested to verify. So you can just verify your login here and complete the steps. And after completing the steps, there will be no more problem. And once you have completed the steps, there you would see a message just like this one. And after that, you can just go and have fun with your um, friends in your Discord account. So I hope this helps and see you on the next one.